Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create a video using the AI. First of all, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to deepbrain.io, link is in the description. From here you can either log in or go directly to your video, which would be here, create a free AI video. From here you can try different templates at first, or you could go ahead directly into ChatGPT and write your script and get your video. You can even do a video with a solid background. This will help you adding this video into other videos where you can remove the background and it would appear something like this. Alright, so in this case we are going to let AI develop the script for us, and we'll try giving it a topic. Let's just say 3 habits of productive people. And you can go ahead and describe your avatar if you'd like, and any other specifications. You can explore this on your own. We're just selecting a random template directly from here. Let's just choose this one. Then we'll click create AI video. It's going to take some time to develop the slides and the script for you. All right, it's loaded. And here you can see that it developed for us a slide that has some text here in it. There's another slide. There's another slide with some text in it. You have the option to customize your avatars. You can add text, change colors and everything. You can even change the text if you want. And then you can click on export. It's going to ask you to sign in. I'm just going to sign up with Google. And if it's your first time, it's going to ask you about some questions for their survey. You could just select anything that you want. Choose personal, education, submit. And here you would be able to see your video being generated. Alright, once your video is generated, you will be able to edit or play, or you could download it from here. If you want to see the results, let's play this video. You can even share it to your social media and other stuff. Alright, let's preview our video.
Productive people set clear goals that are specific, measurable, and have a deadline. This helps them stay focused and motivated, as they know exactly what they need to achieve. Productive people establish daily routines that prioritize important tasks, allocate time effectively, and minimize distractions. Following a routine.
Alright, and then again, you can download this video from here. If you want to remove this watermark, you'll have to subscribe to DeepBrain AI Studio. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like.